What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And in this video, I'm going to review my account and show you guys how many sales I have, and also show you guys my ads strategy. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this video. Make sure you guys kill that motherfucking sub button, show me love. Leave comments in the comment section. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I will go around answering them. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to do, and I'll let you guys know. So let's get straight in the video. Make sure you guys stay to the end. So far today I have 5 sales, one in Italy. I never get sales in other marketplaces, so that's cool to see that today. That's one thing I am trying to do, is find niches that sell in other countries, because a lot of stuff that I do, a lot of niches I do don't sell in other countries. So I'm just trying to find more stuff that's universal. Probably do some sports in the coming week. Probably knock a bunch of stuff out, trying to get selling in the other marketplaces. But from this month, from last month, it's like night and day. I done like 3x, almost 4x what I made last month. Well, I 6x damn near what I made, but as far as items go, I sold 171 items this month, and last month was only 49. So I'm really on it. I am making new designs, new fresh designs. It's really exciting. I'm trying to fill these live designs filled up, but I've been trying to be disciplined with myself as far as the quality goes. I'm not trying to do too many, just bullshit designs, just trying to fill it up. I'm trying to really fill it up with quality, and hopefully I will benefit from the extra time that I'm taking. So yeah, this is what my account looks like as far as today goes, but I'm gonna go into the advertising tab and show you guys what I'm doing. And a lot of people's asking me what my strategy is. Honestly, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been doing, because I don't really know exactly, like, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, and you'll win. But I'm just going to show you guys what I've been doing, what's been working for me. What's been working for me is not going to work for some people, and vice versa. It's better to just, just start advertising, man. You're gonna have to do it. Have $100 budget, or $20-$30, just to test it out and see what's going on and see what you need to tweak, because everybody's account doesn't react the same to advertisement, and it's just how it is. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's get to this. So this is what I've spent this month in my sales for this month. So I'm going to click this to refresh it, just so you guys know this is real. A lot of y'all like the cap, so we're just gonna show you guys this live. So my strategy for this month was to do a lottery campaign. So a lottery campaign is a campaign with all your products in there, all your ASINs, everything, right? So I wanted to do that because I wanted to jumpstart a lot of my products. I want to get the algorithm seeing my name and pulling me up in search, just to help my account grow faster. And I'm starting to realize that every time I advertise, I can double my money. So if I put $200 in, I can make $4. If I put $3 in there, I can make $6. If I put $6 in, I can make $1,200. Just from how much I've been advertising lately, I'm starting to see that that's kind of how it ends up breaking down too. So basically what I did is, right now I have two open right now. This one that says lottery all ASINs is nothing but standard t-shirts. And then this one is just all my hoodies and sweatshirts and tank tops. There's a few products that I'm not advertising just because they never sell and they really fuck up the quality of my advertising campaign. Like, I don't really advertise Raglins or the pillows or any of that. They never really sell like that. So at first I just put them all in there, and then I just watch how they are, if they're thriving or not, and then I'll just start pausing stuff. But really the key to all the times that I'm really making money and it's really going crazy is just, the secret is being patient. You got to be patient. And just start off with low bids. When I first started this campaign, I started off with 7 cents a bid, and you just kind of got to see if anything sells, because it doesn't matter if you pay 7 cents or $100 or $100. A click is a click, right? So if you can get a click at 15 cents, why would I pay $1 for one? So what you guys want to do is just start off with low bids and be patient. Every day that I haven't had patience, I lose money. I'll get on and I'll be like, oh, I need more impressions. I press up the price and I start losing money. But all the days that I sit there and use my low bid strategy, I'll get sales and I won't spend a bunch of money every day. So that's really been my strategy, and I've been selling way more hoodies. Like, I am really really determined to just sell a bunch of hoodies. And one thing you guys should do before you guys start advertising is pressing up your prices. All of my new shirts are $19.99. All of my new hoodies are $34.99 or $40 depending on the design. If you're advertising all this shit, none of your shirts should be $13.07. The only reason why people put their shit for $13.07 is when they're in saturated niches and they just want more impressions for a chance to get a sale. But if we're advertising and we're jumping to the top of the page, we don't need that. So you need to put all of the prices of your shirts to $20 and up. So when you do make a sale, you'll actually profit. So that's really been my strategy. So, like, let's click this. Can I click this without showing you guys all my shit? Let's see. So look, right here it says 4,300 products, right? This is the whole month. I only spent $97 and brought in $1,300, pretty much $1,300 in sales, right? Because all of these are hoodies. I'm gonna get a nice chunk of money every time it sells. And what a lot of people don't know is the bids are a lot lower for other products besides t-shirts. My hoodies have been working a lot better than my t-shirt designs, because most people that advertise, they prioritize the t-shirts instead of the other products. So that's another thing I learned. So using other products people are not advertising, you get low cost clicks, and okay, so let's look at this. Let's see how much I'm bidding for on these hoodies. So I'll show you guys all this. Let's see. So for close match, all these are auto campaigns too, by the way. Yeah, so for close match, I'm doing 22 cents, which has been working tremendously, man. And I realized that I don't never really need to up my bid, because there's certain shirts that I have that sell for low bids, right? And I had to start telling myself that it doesn't matter which shirt is selling as long as I'm making fucking money, right? So I be having to stop myself from raising my bids because I be wanting certain niches to sell, you know? But I need to start focusing on those low competition niches that, you know, I'm getting bids for, you know, 8 cents, 7 cents, 9 cents. And so that's what's helping me profit. And I can look at all these days. There's a few days this month I didn't advertise, so it wasn't like every single day. But let's see, let's add metric. Yeah, so look, my average CPC was 22 cents. You know, so don't think you guys have to have your shit at $1 or $1.50 to make a sale. That is not true. You just need patience, right? And you just gotta have a certain mindset. And my mindset was just, as long as my products are getting more impressions, that's just giving me more chance for a sale. So just be patient. And yeah, now I'm on the front page of a few different niches that I wasn't. You know, my account is getting more reviews, and shit's just working for me. So what I would suggest you guys do is do a lottery campaign too. Do some low bids, and don't think that you need a lot of money. Let me tell you guys this. I am not one of these YouTubers that are out here that think they're gurus and they're making millions of dollars and they have fucking foreigns and shit. Like, I'm a normal ass person that's really out here grinding. So like I said, I've only spent like $200 this month, 200 and something dollars this month. And that's good. You don't really need a hella money. You just need patience. Like, seriously. Like, it's so easy to turn up your bills on impulse, but you have to be patient. You have to be patient with this. And that's really the key to advertising, is just being patient, watching what it does, and reacting to it. So, for an example, if all day I'm getting a bunch of impressions for a loose match, right? And I'm not converting any sales. So let me press this down then, you know? And vice versa. If it was just not getting any impressions and I want to go up, like the most I think I've ever put it up was about 26 cents, and it works. You just have to be patient and realize the time of the day also. So I've noticed that at the end of the days, bids, you can put your bids way lower because people blow out their budgets in the beginning of the day. So it's just a bunch of little stuff. I want you guys to go in the comment section and let me know what you guys really want to know, and I'll definitely touch on whatever it is that you guys want to do. If you guys want me to make a video on how to set up a lottery campaign, I will do that. And I'll also show you guys my other settings on this too, just so, because I know you guys are going to ask that. Hold on. So let's go to placements. So yeah, so I only have all my things is on down only. No up. I don't need no surprises. I put my bid adjustment on 10%. And yeah, these are my numbers for the whole month. If you guys want to look at this, you can screenshot it. Let's see which one has the most sales. See, look, the rest of the search has the most sales out of everything. You do not need to pay a bunch of money for this shit. You just gotta be patient. Advertise hard on those niches that are low cost. Don't, like, it doesn't matter what niche is selling, as long as that bread is going up, we good to go. So yeah, I just showed you guys a little bit of that. I'll definitely show you guys how to set up a lottery campaign if you guys really want me to. But just let me know in the comment section, and that'll be the next video if that's what you guys want. But let me know what questions you guys have, and it'll be in the next video. Till next time.